Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1968 Chevrolet Malibu convertible. Gorgeous car, guys. Absolutely stunning paint on this thing. This is a it's factory color. It's Cordovan maroon metallic, and whoever painted this thing just did a beautiful job. Car's just as straight as can be. I wish we were shooting these things outside right now, but Mother Nature is not going to cooperate. This thing just pops. This is a stunning color. Black interior. It's got a new black convertible top on it with a glass rear window. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. You can see all the chrome and stainless is nice. And car, it's a Virginia car. 68,000 original miles on this car. But it just had a complete frame-up restoration done just a couple of years ago. So they said there's not very many miles on the car at all. And it has a healthy 383 stroker motor underneath the hood. Great sound, great performance, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. And man, you just talk about a fun car to drive. Again, chrome and stainless is really nice. Bumpers look great. Not a whole lot to really pick at on it. Again, look at the color on this thing. Pretty car. Sorry, I'm moving a little slower than normal. Just recovering from hip surgery. Again, really appreciate it. It's humbling, guys, all the people to reach out and that don't know me, just fans of our videos, they said, and wishing me, get wells and hoping I recover soon, and really appreciate that, man. Really nice of people to do that. And I will tell you, man, recovery so far has been pretty easy. I'm 3 weeks out and moving around without a cane, but can't do that outside because of Mother Nature, but man, recovery has actually been pretty easy. Look how pretty that thing is, and look how straight this car is down the sides. 17 and 18 inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds all the way around it. And man, this color just pops. Can't get down as low as I used to be able to, but that's coming. Front disc brakes. Yeah, just beautiful paint. 383 stroker. It's got a dual feed 4-barrel on it. That is an Edelbrock aluminum intake. They've just painted it engine color. Headers. You can see it's got a serpentine billet pulley system on it. GM double hump heads. Nice little cam in it. MSD 6AL ignition on it. You can see it's got the Chevrolet billet valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission with a lockup converter, the switches on the dash for the converter. It's got custom radiator with dual electric fans. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. And it runs. This car scoots, guys. A-pillar chrome's really nice. You can pick that mirror a little bit. New door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Definitely new interior. Factory bench seat. That is a pretty car. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Power top, sports steering wheel. It's got an aftermarket tach in it. He also put the pillar gauges in it. 68038. I don't know, you probably can't see that. JVC sound system. It's got a 3-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. It's got a 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear axle in it with the ladder bar rear suspension. Jack with spares in the truck. I mean, look how nice this is. I mean, whoever built this car did a beautiful job. All spackle coated in the trunk, and Jack with spares in here. Can't really get down to show you the underside, but as always, I'll post photos of the underside on it. Door rubbers look good. Again, seams are nice. Really slick paint. I got pictures of it with the top up. There's your switch down below the dash for the lockup converter. And the pillar chrome getting real nice. Nasty little cam, guys. This thing rocks, man. Somebody's gonna have some fun with this car. Put your gauges out here, like bottom one, yep. And everything lights up here. Holds good oil pressure, backwards. Fit and finish is really nice on the car. Listen to this thing out back. Car is nasty. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, everything opens and closes nice. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, remember to follow us on our social media, our Facebook, our Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video.